Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss a topic that 10 best laptops in 2024. I discussed 5 in a previous video, and I discuss next part of part 2 of laptop 10 laptops in 2020, and go to the mobile screen. Is a Dell XPS 15 specification, CPU Intel Core i7 13 13 700 Hz, GPU है Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070, RAM 32 GB, storage 1 TB, M.2 PCLI NVMe SSD, display 15.6 inches. I did not 160. I did not add 15.6 Dell XPS 15.1 0.7 inches. This and weight is 4.2 pounds, which is reason to buy silk elegant real great overall, and it can also serve as a powerful OLED display and to avoid possible gaming. Keyboard is got a stunning 4.5K OLED touchscreen paired with powerful speakers that just scream multimedia machine, armed with its 2.4 GHz Intel Core i7 13700 Hz processor with 32 GB of RAM. The XPS 9350 hold up well engaged most of its competitor. In the Geekbench 6 test, it hits 12,171, crushing the 7803 premium laptop average. It is a strong result that is only truly blown away by a M3 Max MacBook Pro 16, which reached 20,863. It's worth nothing that the MacBook was $1,200 more than our Dell XPS 15 if the price mattered to you. Looking at real world tasks, the XPS 15 sped through transcoding a 4K video to 1080 pixel in 5 minutes, and one speed again well ahead of a 8 minute 18 category average and competitor like a VivoBook Pro 6 and Galaxy Book. The M3 Max MacBook does come out ahead again through at 2 colon 36 on the laptop mag battery test. The XPS 15 lasted 8 hours and 58 minutes, which is quite a bit shy of the MacBook Pro's Ludicrous. Along with a below average battery life, the XPS 15 counts a mushy keyboard as a fellow. The latter is a minor enhance compared to the battery life. Still, if you ensure that the Dell XPS 15 is always near on outlet, it should not be a problem, especially with all the laptop power. The Dell XPS 15 is the ultimate jack of all trades system with something for everyone. So the friend next one is ASUS ROG Strix Scarce 18 specification: CPU Intel Core i9, GPU Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090, RAM 32 GB, storage dual 1 TB SSD, display 18 inches, 2560 multiply 1600, size 15.7 multiply 11.7 multiply 0.92, 1.2 inches, weight 6.8 pounds. Reason to buy: impressive overall and gaming performance, flashy and amazing design, competitive display. Reason to avoid our $4,000 for top configuration. Webcam could be better, below average battery life when it's time to game, and I mean really game. It's like obliterate everything in a level with wild Abodon. Look no further than the Asus ROG Strix Scare 18. This behemoth with an 18 inches 2560 multiply 600 display with 4 240 Hz refresh rate is the way to go for battery smooth rendering, which is those crucial moments can mean the difference between getting the kill shot to receive it, but the destruction you are going to unleash comes by way of the 13 Gen Intel Core i9 and NVIDIA GeForce. But let's leave the spin 714's dark grey finish with the gold accessed for a minute and take a look beneath and chases with its Intel Core i5 CPU. Do not expect the system to do any heavy data crunching or run AutoCAD, but it can do productivity task, web work, or stream so much video as you like. On a Geekbench 6 test, it defeated the HP Dragonfly Pro Chromebook, which cost $300 more, 6,355 versus 4,263. The tables were turned on the Jetstream 2.0 benchmark, which tested how quickly large web pages load. The Chromebook Spin 714 achieved a score of 250.2, which beats the Chromebook average 240, but not the HP Dragonfly Pro Book. One is HP Spectre multiplied 360. Specification: CPU Intel Core Ultra 7, GPU Intel Arc graphic, RAM 32 GB, storage 2 TB SSD, display 14 inches 2880 multiply 1880 OLED, size 12.4 multiply 18.7 multiply 0.7 inches, weight 3.2 pounds. Reason to buy: beautiful 2.8K OLED display, over 11 hours of battery life, bouncy keyboard, 4K webcam. Reason to avoid display benchmarks could be better limited ports. A new Intel Core Ultra version of the CPU Spectre 14 takes everything we have loved about this laptop line in recent years and turns it up a notch beyond a useful 2-in-1 form factor. If you have a gorgeous 2.8 OLED touchscreen display for creating a viewing content, the laptop weighs in at 3.2 pounds, pretty light for a 14-inch 2-in-1, but thanks to that power sipping CPU from Intel is still crushed our battery life, tested with our 11 hours on a single charge. That's one of the best results we have ever seen from a 2-in-1. Despite its frugal battery usage, the Intel Core Ultra and Arc GPU blew our reviewer away, putting up better Geekbench and 3D. So the next one is then Acer Chromebook Spin 714. Specification: CPU Intel Core i5, GPU Intel Iris Xe, RAM 8 GB, storage 256 GB SSD, uh, display 14 inch 1600, size 12.3 multiply 8.8 multiply 0.7 inches, weight 3.2 pound. Reason to buy: almost 13 hours of battery life, stylish cases, good performance, 1440 pixel webcam. Reason to avoid: quiet speakers. The quiet speakers this sub $50 has a lot going for it, including nearly 13 hours of battery life. Plus, according to our reviewer, it is the most attractive Chromebook there are ever reviewed. And that high praised, considered less premium laptops tend to alike unassuming gray or black slabs, but let's leave the spin 714 dark gray finish with the glad essence for a minute and take a look beneath and cases with its Intel Core i5 CPU. Do not expect the system to do any heavy data crunching or run AutoCAD, but it can do productivity task, web work, or stream as much video as you like. On the Geekbench 6 test, it defeated the HP Dragonfly Pro Chromebook, which cost $3,000 more than 6,335 versus 4,263. The Spin 714 also scored win on our battery testing. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch specification: Apple M3 GPU, Apple M3 GPU, RAM 8 GB, storage 512 GB, display 14.2 inches, size 12.3 multiply 8.7 multiply 0.6 inches, weight 3.4 pounds. Reason to buy: excellent overall performance, slide gaming performance, incredible endurance, stunning display. Reason to avoid: off-putting notch, still no Face ID. Apple M3 delivers better performance than the last two generations while also improving in efficiency. While the next generation, the Windows PCs, look at catch up, it's still Apple advantages. Plus, the MacBook Pro 14 M3 stars at $400 cheaper than its predecessor. It's an all-out win for students, mobile professionals, creative, just about anyone who calls themselves a MacBook fan. Boosting performance at 20% faster CPU performance than the M1 chip. I saw the MacBook Pro 14 score 11,870 on Geekbench 6, beating the XP's 13, but it could not top the Acer Shift X14. But on the handbrake video transcoding test, the MacBook took 5 minutes and 38 seconds to transcode a 4K video to 1080 pixels, blasting past the average. It also left the Shift X and XP's 13 eating its dust. Although Apple has been singing the praise of its new processor, the bigger news lies with the GPU, which graphic chip is the M3 series has the much larger GPU. The past generation and sport dynamic caching. A new technology that includes hardware accelerated ray tracking and mesh shading. The MacBook Pro achieved 51 frames per second at 1200 pixels on the side mirror, Civilization 6 benchmark. So the next one is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 specification: CPU Intel Core i7, GPU Intel Iris Xe, RAM 16 GB, storage 512 GB, display 14 inches, size 12.4 multiply 8.8 multiply 0.6 inches. Reason to buy: shockingly lightweight, fast SSD, great battery life. Reason to avoid: middling performance. Lenovo X1 Carbon series is a perennial mainstay on our best laptop page for good reason. While a new Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 is available, if we still recommended the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11 for the most business user. Battery life is a big factor here. The X1 Carbon lasted the whopping for 13 hours and 45 minutes on our battery test, which is 4 hours and 18 minutes longer than the Gen 12. If you are rarely away from the outlet, that may not matter to you, and the Gen 12 offers superior performance with its Intel Core Ultra CPU and Intel Arc GPU. However, on balance, we view the Gen 11 as the better performance to efficiency bet for most business users. So the friends, I will discuss all the parts, all the laptops. I hope you are like a video. Please like my video and share to your friends and hit the subscribe button.